Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Christmas, Michigan, a small town on the shores of Lake Superior. This unique community is just a few miles west of Munising and has become a fun stop for travelers exploring the Upper Peninsula. Christmas was founded in the early 1900s when a man built a factory here to make holiday-themed gifts and ornaments. The town took its name from that factory, and the Christmas spirit has stuck around ever since. Its location near Pictured Rocks and Grand Island makes it a convenient place to explore nature and have some fun. Whether you're here for the holiday spirit, outdoor adventure, or simply passing through, Christmas always makes you smile.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Christmas, Michigan. Thanks for watching.